I want to talk to you a little bit today about a Scrum that we did yesterday because it was really interesting. We came up with 28 things just in that initial Scrum. And we haven't even done the mystery shop yet. We'll probably find another 20 things when we do that. But when you come up with that many potential things that you need to work on to hit a revenue goal, you've got to start prioritizing and go, well, which one of these we're going to do first? Because they all take time. So you're looking at what's going to have the highest impact in the shortest space of time. They're the tasks that you're looking for on the revenue goal. So one of the tasks yesterday was something that ordinarily I would have said, oh God, we've got to get onto that, we've got to fix it straight away. And that was the robots.txt, it was empty. But when you look at all the other things that we've got to work on, and whilst that job might only take, half an hour to do it properly, there are plenty of other things that are going to impact revenue, and that's what the client's marking us on, right? They're not marking us on a tidy robots.txt. So we're going to go and work on the things that are going to impact revenue the quickest. And like some of those things are just removing old plugins that aren't being used, or identifying a plugin that might be just generating an extra 2 seconds page load time because it makes the menus look nicer. But are those menus looking nicer making up in conversions for what you're losing because the page is loading slower now? So it's all those sorts of things. But if you have that revenue goal in mind, it's easy to prioritize those tasks, because unless the task is going to help you hit that revenue goal, then why are we doing it?